Hi everyone, so today we'll be making this clothespin wreath. It's got a paper plate in it to hold it all together, and it's got a string, and I painted it all pretty like this with my paint markers, but I didn't use balloons because it died. So yeah. So, what you're going to need is a paper plate of some sort. I'm using this one. I'm going to be cutting off most of the outside, making it smaller. I'm just using them because it's what I want to use, and I don't want to use this ridged part. I want to use the flat or smooth part because it'll just be better. You're going to need some sort of markers or something, or unless you want to leave the clothespins plain, it's up to you. I'm just going to be using my paint markers here. They're called painters. I really like them. They're like metallic and pearlescent and stuff, so they're like whatever they are. They're pearlescent, yeah, they're all pearlescent. But the gold metallic. So I say metallic. Yeah, they're pretty, and they just take a little bit longer to dry than like a Sharpie would, but you can use whatever you want to color them. I probably won't be showing you how to color them, because you can just do it however you want, and you don't have to copy me at all, because you can do it to whatever colors you like, whatever fits with your theme, your room, wherever you're putting it. I'm just going to be using some of these colors. I'm not sure I'll be using all of them. I just have them all in case. You're needing some yarn. There's some kind of a string to tie to it to hang it up, unless you want to like lay it on a table or something. Whatever you want. Scissors, and a whole bunch of clothespins. I counted out with my plate size and stuff where I'm cutting it. I think I'll need like 27-ish, but you might need more, you might need less. I might have a little bit more, I might use less. It just depends. So, yeah. What you first want to do is you want to cut out the plate and stuff before you decorate the clothespins, because you don't want to decorate too many and then not need them. So if you cut this out, you can put them all on, see how many you need, take them off, decorate them, put them back on. Yeah. So you need to cut out. You could, depending if your plate has like this edge like this, you could just do right on the outside. You need a whole lot more than, because it's a whole lot bigger. I counted it out to make it a whole lot smaller because I don't want a real big one. And also, it gets that much bigger because your clothespin like sticks out that far. So like this, it still ends up being like almost the size of the plate. So yeah. I'm going to cut like right just around the outside. If you see that line there, sort of. Yeah, that's what I'm cutting. It's not perfect. Your clothespins will cover up a bunch of it. You could use like a plastic party plate too if you wanted. It's just there's a possibility they could get like sharp or something if you cut them wrong, and then you could like cut yourself. So yeah, that wouldn't be fun. It'd be painful. Even worse than a paper cut probably if it's plastic. But yeah, it's not perfect. Like I said, your clothespins are going on, so it won't see it as much. Just try to make it as nice as you can. Take your time and do it however you need to make it look as nice as you think it should. And if you need to like go like this and chop this big chunk off so that you can keep cutting and not have it get in your way, go right ahead. It might make it easier. If I should have done that sooner, it would have been a lot easier. It's a lot easier when you don't have that big chunk dangling there. Cut it off. So now it looks like this. So now what you need to do is get a hole punched in the middle. Yeah. But let's put our clothespins on it first, and we'll see where we cut our circle in the middle. I'm going to put all mine on. And you can put them on, and you can adjust them after you have more on and stuff. So, yeah, I don't have to have it perfect. Just putting them on. Gotta adjust them as you go. Just kind of smush them on however they go at the moment, because we're just figuring this out. You might have some space in between, which you could like color your paper plate part if you wanted it to not be white, but I'm just going to go with white because I just think it'll be fine. If you do have a paper plate with like a waxy coating on one side, you can use a nicer, thicker plate, which will be better because it'll hold up the weight of your clothes. Because I only have this much on and it's really heavy already. You're going to want to color on the opposite side because it'll be harder to get whatever your color is probably to stick to the wax because it's waxy, so it'll be a little bit harder. I'm just sticking them on. They're not real even right now. Also, because I'm taking them back off afterwards. I'm just trying to get a rough idea. See if I need as many as I have, or if I counted wrong, or if I counted it differently, or whatever. Because see, even with the paper plate edge, it's still going to be almost just as big as the other plate. So imagine how much bigger it would be if you left the paper plate edge on, and how many more you would need. You adjust them, shove them on. I want them shoved on as far as they go because I just don't want it to be super huge, but this is heavy already, so yeah, you might need like something else other than tape just to hold it up to the wall. I'm just stuffing them on, and I adjust them as I go. Almost all the way around. Stuff them on, adjust them. Da, da, da. Looking pretty good so far. And you don't have to decorate both sides. It'll take you longer. You have to like decorate like the inside of the outside. You'll have to decorate one side. A lot easier. But you could decorate both sides, and you could make it reversible, and then you could have like 2 wreaths in one. You don't have to like never have to store them because you can just flip it around real quick, and then boom, you have a different wreath. You can make like one be like winter and one be for like summer. I have no idea what my theme is gonna be. It's probably just gonna be random patterns and dots and stuff because yeah, I'm weird. I'm just putting these on and adjusting them, and I might need less than they pulled out, which would be nice because then I don't have to color quite as many. Just stuffing them all in, adjusting them. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect right now because you can pull them back off, decorate them. Unless you want to decorate them right on here, but I think it would be easier to hold one and decorate my time. So yeah, that's about what mine looks like right now. Yeah. And I had 27 out. I have 2 that I didn't put on. Now you're going to need some sort of like pencil or something. You can figure which side's going to be the back of yours, because in case pencil line's still there. I want to use this like shiny side as my front, so I'm going to draw on the back and kind of just make marks for how big your circle is, sort of. And then sort of just, you can just freehand it, sort of. Because your clothespins aren't like a perfect circle. So yeah, you try to mark it, because then if you take the clothespins off, you sort of know how big to make your circle. This makes your life easier. So yeah, there's a bunch of just pencil lines. And then I can pull them all off, and then I'll decorate them, and I'll be right back to show you once they're decorated, because you can decorate them however you want. So I'm not going to show you how I'm decorating mine until they're done, because you can just, whatever you like, not what I like, what you like. Yeah, bye. So, now that I have them all colored, my color scheme I decided, I tried to use the blue one. It, for some reason, decided to be dead today, so I had to use the other colors. I decided to go solid, then polka dot, then solid, then polka dot, like this, sort of, for all my colors. That's what I'm doing. And I put them on this again, and it turns out I only need 24 and 25, so it made my pattern better, yeah. But before we put them on, you obviously have to cut out the hole. What you gotta first do is get a hole punched in it. Just don't cut your own finger off. That will not be fun. I'll cut like a hole in any of you. There, I got a hole punched right in it. And I can just keep stabbing my scissors right through it until I can cut like that. And you want to just cut. You can always cut the circle bigger, so don't cut it too big in case. Because it's easier to cut more off than it is to put it back on. I'm just cutting off most of it, and I'll put one clothespin on, and I'll move it all the way around and stuff, and see if it's the right more back, or if it's right, or if I can cut more off. Like that. And I cut my circle off. Now something like this, which is not perfect, and I'm probably definitely have to cut more off. But I'm just gonna test anyways, because it's safer. Yeah, I have to cut way more off. But right here is like good. So like I have to cut off more on this side, more on this side. Okay. And just cut it off little by little, because it's easier to cut off more than it is to put more back on. This side I have to cut a little more off over here. And you just keep cutting it until you got it where you don't want it sticking out of your clothespin, because that'll just look weird. So we want all the focus to be on the clothespin, not on the piece of cardboard holding the clothespin together. Like there, that's better. And then go around. Like right here, so I need to cut more off though too. So guys, keep working at this until we get it just right. I'm gonna cut a little more right there. Still too much, not enough. Right here. Keep cutting. I'm gonna cut a bunch more off here. see if it fits. Clean up my mess that I'm making here. Yeah. Seems to be perfect all the way around to that one little spot right there. Like it's mostly perfect right over. Right, this side is a little needs a more. Needs a little more cutting. Clean up my mess. So yeah, I'll do that. So yeah. And then you can just basically, once you get your circle all cut up perfect, you just put your clothespins on. So I have mine all laid out right here in order of how I want them on. If you start sticking them on, you can just stick them on, and then you can adjust them after you got them all on. And just put them on as far as they'll go. That's how I have mine on. You can start, after you get a few on, you can start adjusting them. Make sure you don't need to cut more cardboard, because right here, turns out I need to cut a little more. If your edge isn't perfectly like stuff, you're not really going to see it a whole lot, so it doesn't really matter that much. If it's like perfectly smooth and round and everything. Oh, it's only a little more cut right there. I thought I had this right. I guess I was wrong. Or left. I don't know. Put this one back on. Put this one back on there. And that's good. That's better. Yeah. And this is make it really heavy, so you gotta be careful not to like bend your cardboard like craziness, because it does make this heavy because it's a lot of wood and metal. Just keep putting them on. There, that's my whole pattern basically, yeah. It would have been blue in there too, but my blue marker decided to be dead. That's all the marker I could get out of it. I started doing one, then it didn't work, so then I just turned the other side gold and called it good. Because the pattern was going to be pink, green, purple, blue, gold, but there was no blue marker to get out, because it was like dead. Did someone kill it? Probably not me, I don't know. It may have been dead before I even brought it up here, I don't know. One person uses it as me, so yeah. And just keep going all the way around. I really like the gold ones. I like all of them because they're that pearlescent metallic stuff. That's why I used them instead of just like getting normal markers out. Because I knew they were shiny and pretty. That one I could cut it off a little more right there, but I think it's fine. It doesn't bother me that much. Down to the last couple of them. I have 3 more we gotta squeeze in here. 2 more. Are we gonna fit them? They should fit. I had them on here already. This is getting kind of heavy now because it's all on there. The gold one right here. Now I gotta just adjust them a little so I can get that last one in there. I know it'll all fit. I think I have to maybe make the circle bigger and make them all be out farther to fit that last one in. But yeah, this is what it looks like basically. Yeah. Needs them to be close together, or have another one in between there. I will get that one in between. I'll be right back. I'll have that last one in there. I'm back. I got the last one on. And it works best if you have them on not quite all the way when you're putting them on, and then after you're sure all of them are on and they'll fit, that you squish them together so they're all touching and even like this. And then it should look something like this, which I really, really like it. And I like my color scheme, and I like that I did the solids and the dots. And then I painted the ones that did the dots on white before I put the dots with my white one. So I actually really like how it turned out. So yeah, so you could just like set it somewhere, but or like lean it on a shelf somehow. But I'm gonna put a stringer on it to hang it up with. I don't think just like Scotch tape will like hold this up because it's got like weight to it. So you might need to like put a hook on the wall or something and like hang it on that or something, or do like, I don't know, hang it on a doorknob. I don't think that would fit, but I don't know, because that the tape will hold it up. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna make a loop like that. Because it's a little big, it's fine. I'm gonna cut off that little bit of extra right there. I don't need that. And I'm gonna figure out which way I want this to hang. I think I want to hang it so that pink is like towards the top, sort of. So I'm gonna go on the back, which that means the blue part on the back is towards the top. And I'm gonna just clip this into one of these right here, so it'll just be clipped into there. I think I'm gonna go with this one, which is that's actually not the one I want clipped in. I wasn't looking at the front when I did this. So if these two are the top pink ones that I want to be the top, I think I should go out like 1, 2, 3, so that I have some width for my hanger. I'm going to go into this purple one right here. My string doesn't get all tangled in the rest of the world first. And then I have this attached right here. Yeah. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to have to figure out how long to make my hanger by like holding it here and like clearing out, figuring out where my other one's going to be. I'm going to put it into this gold one, so put this like this. Sorry you can't see this, I'm trying to figure it out and I'll show you. I think that's probably good, so I need it to be about there, so then I'll just put it like there, and then I'll just make a knot up here. So that I make my loop big like I did on the other side, because it's just, I don't know. I'm fine with the big loop. You can make it smaller if you want it to look nice and you didn't have that knot right there, but I'm fine with the big loop. And then you cut the string off, take this other end, hook it in your other clip that you decided to clip it into, which is going to be this gold one that I accidentally colored blue a little bit because I thought it was going to be blue and not gold, but yeah. And then it'll go right up in between there, so it won't like be hanging from the back, it'll be hanging right from the middle of it, so yeah, there you go. You have your clothespin wreath. You could make it any color you want, and you could take the time and color all the other sides. You could make this side like one whatever, and this side the other. Like this could be Christmas, or winter, or Halloween, and this could be like 4th of July, or Easter, or just random, like this. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Comment down below if you like crafts like this where it's like wreaths and clothespins and stuff, and give us a thumbs up if you like this kind of craft, obviously, and comment down below if you think I should paint my nails more often for my videos and stuff, because I was just in the mood to do it the other day, so I did it. So yeah, it's not probably going to last for long, but because my nails are always getting stuff on them and peel off, but yeah, give us a thumbs up if you like my nails being painted, and subscribe. Bye!